you purchased a course for TikTok influencer and you're struggling getting approved, it took me forever to get approved. And then once I got approved, I couldn't ever get on-site approved. So that kind of X'd out, a way for me to make income online. But let me tell you, I have a course in my Stan Store for TikTok Shop, reviewing products for TikTok Shop. There is no approval process. You just fill out the information they need. You can grab my course. It's going to tell you everything you need to do from beginning to the end. It comes with the community, and you can make money not only by reviewing products here on the TikTok Shop, and it's really easy. I mean, you don't have to like send them in to have them approved. You just make the videos. You get a product, you make the videos, and if somebody buys from you, you make that commission. The other thing you can do is you can make money by reselling the course if you choose to. And it's really, really cool. I've made money off of TikTok Shop. It's really exciting. I have fun doing it. And I just found it was a lot easier than doing the Amazon influencer. So if you're stuck on the Amazon influencer thing and you're not getting approved, or you cannot get on site, but you're wanting to review products, go ahead, grab my course, go through it, because you can also go around your house and find products that are already on the TikTok Shop and review those too. So there's multiple ways to make money online.